So, in this particular video, we will see how women contributed, right. So, women in national movement, and as you all know that this topic is gradually becoming important. Last 2-3 years they are asking question regarding women, role of women organization, regarding role of women in general at individual level also, right, in our national movement. Fine. So, women in national movement, when we say that even in the 19th century, we have some idea, we have some examples, right, women playing important role, right. In 1817 in Maharashtra area, right, in a Holkar family, you have some example when they fought bravely against the British. Then in 1824 in Karnataka, right, one Rani Chanamma of Kittur, right. So, Kittur, right, Karnataka area resisted the armed might of English East India Company. So, we have this kind of example, and then you must be knowing in 1857 revolt, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jhansi ki Rani, Begum Hajrat Mahal, they all played important role, right. Then during the socio-religious reform movement also, you have some development regarding women education, some right, you can say some women reformer also contributed. So, gradually you will see that in 19th century, right, women they became active, some right organizations also formed, but the actual development of role of women you will see in the 20th century. It is okay. So, actual development in the role of women, right, you will see in the 20th century only, but there is a right, you can say debate regarding what kind of role Congress, Indian National Congress played in, you can say, in highlighting the cause of women, and there is an opinion that the Congress and its leaders were simply not interested, right. So, Congress and its leader in the initial phase, they were simply not interested, right, in women's issue. And who said it? I am not saying, we are not saying, it was right a comment made by a very popular lady of that period, Sarla Devi Chaudharani, right. So, Sarla Devi Chaudharani, Sarla Devi Chaudharani. Sarla Devi Chaudharani, why this lady is very important? Because she played important role in formation of a very important organization, right, what is called Bharat Stri, 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 right, Mahamandal. So, Sarla Devi Chaudharani also made this comment that Congress wanted them to be law breakers, but not law makers, right. So, what Sarla Devi Chaudharani, right, you can say said, Congress wanted them to be law breakers only, and not lawmakers. So, this kind of view you have regarding the right, you can say role of Congress, right, related to this women issues and role of women, what kind of role they wanted to play. But modern historians including Shekhar Bandhopadhyay suggested that the women's question in colonial India never received priority, but some women became conscious and actually participated in our national movement. Is this okay? Right. So, whenever we are analyzing the role of women in our freedom movement, we must start right our answer in our freedom movement with Swadeshi movement. Are you getting that? If they are asking you question regarding the role of women or women organization, of course there are some women organization before that also, but the real beginning of role of women you will appreciate after Swadeshi movement. And then you will see that during Gandhian movement also, right, women played important role. This is the most important phase. And after Gandhian movement, right, during the left movement also, right, they played important role, and even some women played important role with the Subhash Chandra Bose and with some revolutionaries also, particularly in Bengal, revolutionaries also. Fine. So, when you are writing the role of women in national movement, so role of women part 1 before Swadeshi movement in 19th century also, then part 2 the real beginning under Swadeshi movement, you can give examples here, then the real beginning of role of women during Gandhian movement, then of course left movement also, and then Subhash with Subhash Chandra Bose also, you must be knowing that, right, Rani Lakshmi regiment was there. So, of course 2-3 names you have related to Subhash Chandra Bose, and then of course, right, during some revolutionaries also, particularly in Bengal, some women revolutionary played important role. So, overall, and then some peasant revolt also, you have some example during peasant revolt also, some right, women played important role. So, overall you have to divide your answer into different categories, different, you can say phases, and you have to give some example. Fine. So, we can remember some example, right, during you can say Swadeshi movement. So, during Swadeshi movement we can remember that during Swadeshi movement, so we can remember that the concept of motherhood right became very popular, right. Most of the nationalists started imagining, right, our country, right, as what, motherhood, right. Bankim Chatterjee, popular, you can say a song, Bande Mataram. So, so motherhood became the theme, and that helped in the rise of, right, participation of women in freedom movement. Then we can also add here that Abhindranath Tagore, right, was known for a painting of Bharat Mata in this period, in this period. Then you can remember that, right, Mahila Silp Samiti was formed, Mahila Silp Samiti was formed, right, during Swadeshi movement, right. Then Hitasini Sabha, Hitashini Hitasini Sabha, right, was organized during Swadeshi movement, right, Then we can also mention that Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, Devi Chattopadhyay, right, Chattopadhyay, right, Padhyay played important role in this period, and her mother, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay's mother, Girjabai, Girjabai formed, right, set up Mahila Sabha, Mahila Sabha, right. Of course, these facts are becoming important, and without these facts, right, our answer would be, you can say, right, without any substance. So we have to give example. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, her mother played important role, and they organized Mahila Sabha, right. Then we can mention, so Swadeshi movement is very important, that during this Swadeshi movement, Prayag Mahila Samiti was also established. Prayag Mahila, right, Samiti was established in Allahabad, Prayag Mahila Samiti, by Rameswari Nehru, by Rameswari Nehru, by Rameswari Nehru, right. So you will see that there was some development during right, Swadeshi movement, right, and if you can remember these 2-3 points, we should, right, quote that. But the actual development of participation of women in the national movement started with the coming of Gandhi, Gandhian phase, Gandhi, right. And there is a writer, very popular writer, Madhu Kiswar also accepted this fact, that Gandhian approach contributed in the role of women, right. So Gandhi, with the coming of Gandhi, you will see that their role became more prominent, and in this phase, in the Gandhian phase, you have some example of women playing important role, and we must remember Annie Besant. She was a reformer, Theosophical Society, but she started playing role in our national movement also. Annie Besant, Home Rule League movement, and then she was elected president in 1917. She was the Congress president. Annie Besant. Fine. Then you will see during this Gandhian phase only, right, different women association formed, like Women Indian Association, WIA, like National Council for Women, like, right, after some time you have All India Women Conference, All India, in 1920s, All India Women Conference, right. So you will see that organization also, and right, you will see that role of women also, and Annie Besant, right, very important. Then Sarojini Naidu also started playing important role, right, in this period. Sarojini Naidu, and you must be knowing it now that she played important role in Dharsana Satyagraha during civil disobedience movement, right, Sarojini Naidu. So Sarojini Naidu also started playing important role, and then after that you will see that during Khilafat days, there was a lady, mother of Ali brothers, right, you can say Amman, B. Amman. Remember this name, B. Amman, a Muslim lady, mother of Ali brothers, was known for her energetic speeches, efforts during freedom movement, Khilafat days. Then during non-cooperation movement, right, you can remember, right, Basanti Devi, Basanti Devi played important role. This Basanti is different, right? So Basanti Devi played important role, and during, you can say, this period, right, you can say the civil disobedience movement, women became very active. Civil disobedience movement known for participation of women, they became very active. So most important, right, you can say movement, Gandhian movement for participation of women was, right, civil disobedience movement. Even wife of a great writer Munshi Premchand, Shivrani Devi, Shiva Rani Devi played important role during this period, right. So during CDM, it is the most important Gandhian movement where you will see large scale of women, you can say large scale, right, they started coming out of their home, right. So they started playing important role. During this period, you will see that, right, the peasant movement also, right, was affected by the participation of women, peasant movement, right. If like you have idea about some peasant movement in Awadh area, you have women like, right, Musammat Putta, M-U-S-A M-M-A-T, Musammat Putta, right, in the, you can say, Awadh area, right, Abhilakhi, Abhilakhi, so these are peasant leader women, right. So this is interesting. So they are coming not because of the compulsion, right, from their husband, they are coming on their own. So this is very important. So peasant movement also in Awadh, you have this kind of right, the participation. So during Gandhian movement, you will see this kind of role. And then during Quit India movement also, right, even I mentioned, right, in right, the Quit India movement, some important name like Aruna Asaf Ali, Sucheta Kripalani, Mridula Sarabhai, right, you can see, right. So there are many names during Quit India movement days also, before that also, right, they all started coming. So in the Quit India movement, if you have, you can say, if you remember still, so we can remember Aruna Asaf Ali played important role, then Sucheta Kripalani, right. So Usha Mehta, right. So this kind of name you have during Quit India movement also. So during Quit India movement also, that they started playing important role. Done. So how women movement, how women, you can say, played important role in during national movement, Swadeshi days, Gandhian days, and even after Gandhian days, you will see that during that left movement also, you will see involvement of women, right, you will see involvement of women, not only, you can say, in the Congress related platform or movement, but in the communist movement, right. Like if we have to remember some name, it is Hazra Begum, then you have Rasid Jahan, Rasid, R-A-S-H, Rasid Jahan, right. Then you have Rekha Jain, right. So communist movement. Then you have one very important, you will see, right, the Mahila Atma Raksha Samiti was formed in 1942 during Quit India movement, right. So there was some leftist women leader in Bengal formed Mahila Atma Raksha Samiti, right. So, in Bengal, so this kind of example you have during during the communist days also, communist movement also. So, they participated. So, then some revolutionary movement also, you will see some role of women, revolutionary movement also, you will see role of women, right. If you remember, during the revolutionary movement, you have, right, some name like, right, Priti Lata Wadedar, Priti Lata Wadedar, you have Kalpana Dutt, fine, because during the revolutionary movement, if you remember, Sakti worship became very popular, Durga, Kali, right now. So, they, Priti Lata Wadedar and Kalpana Dutt, they started emerging as Durga and Kali. So, a revolutionary movement, during revolutionary movement also you will see the role of women. Then you can say that with Subhash Chandra Bose also, you can see participation of women also, right, during, you can say, with the Subhash Chandra Bose. And you must be knowing Rani Jhansi regiment, is it okay? Then right, there is a very popular name, right, during, you can say, that Subhash Chandra Bose phase, right, Latika Ghosh, and then Lakshmi Swaminathan, right, you must be knowing it. So, these names you have to remember, and they also participated in our freedom movement, they contributed in our freedom movement with Subhash Chandra Bose, with his ideas. And then, right, you have, right, we will be mentioning, and we have already, right, you can say, give you some example, that during tribal movement also some right, the role of women you will, right, see. So, this kind of role you will see, right, of Indian women. And overall, always remember that women played very important role, right, in our freedom movement, very important role in our freedom movement. And after Gandhi, right, you will see that active role, their own initiative, right, they were not actually, right, extending the role of their husband, or you can say their brother, or you can say as a secondary role they were playing. They started playing, right, the primary role after coming of Gandhi, right. So, fine.